Hi, this is Boris Fosso from the CS450 class with Professor Itani. So I'm going to be, this is going to be my project demonstration, showing all the code and also all the application and everything that I did. So basically, this is going to be the first, we are looking at the login servlet that was used to allow the passenger to log in into the account. This is the code for the login servlet over here. And for the info.jsp, this is the code for that servlet as well. Basically getting all the passenger information and also the points that they have on their account. This is going to be the flight.jsp, getting all the flight information belonging to a specific passenger, getting the flight ID, the miles, and the destination of the flight. And this is the flight detail.jsp file, basically getting the informations about a specific flight and also the trip information as well. This is the award IDs.jsp, basically getting the awards belonging to a specific passenger, just getting all those awards being displayed. This is the redemption detail.jsp, basically getting all the information about a specific award belonging to a specific passenger. So this is the getting all those details for a specific award. This is the get passenger IDs.jsp, basically getting all the passengers IDs except the passenger that is requesting this information. This is going to be the transfer point.jsp, essentially transferring points from one account to another. The first query, deduct point from the account, sending the points, and then add those points to the destination account. So now I'm going to show the code for this is going to be the code for the Android, the main activities. So over here we have the main activity 1, which is allowing the user to log in into the account on the application. Basically using the login.jsp servlet component to verify the login informations and allow the passenger to log in. Main activity 2, which is used to welcome the user into the application, and also which it displays all the buttons and all the different activities that are that actually make up the application. This one was the longest one because it had a lot of things going on. But this one used the info.jsp to display the passenger information and also getting the image for that specific passenger as well. Main activity 3, basically using this activity to display all the flight information that belongs to a specific passenger and being able to display those in column/row format. using the flight.jsp servlet. Main activity 4, basically this one was to being able to select a specific flight and view the information about that specific flight using the flight.jsp servlet, as well as the flight details.jsp. And this one also used a spinner to be able to display all the flight in the application. Main activity 5, basically allowing the user to see the awards and also see the information about those awards. This one used the award IDs.jsp, as well as the redemption details.jsp, to get all the information about the awards, like the description, the point required, and the redemption center. Main activity 6, the last one, which was to transfer points from one account to another using the get passenger IDs for the spinner, and also using the transfer point.jsp to transfer the information from one account to another account. Right. So now I'm going to test out my servlet on the browser. This one was for the login. I have a user. The user, his username is Bill, and his password is BL123. So it's going to show me yes, and then it's going to show me the passenger ID. The info.jsp. If I type in for a passenger with ID 2, it's going to show me the information for that passenger. For a flight, if I want to see the information or the flight information for a specific passenger, if I type in maybe passenger with ID 2, it's going to show me he has one flight. User 1 has 3 flights. The flight details for a specific flight, maybe flight with ID 101, it's going to show me the flight for that, the information for that flight, and also maybe 102 or 105 is going to show me the information for any of those flights. Awards ID, basically the information about the awards that a specific passenger has. Maybe if I want to see the awards that the second passenger has, I can put that. For the first passenger, I can put that as well. Also redemption details, basically seeing the information about specific awards. I think he has this one, if I'm not wrong. No, let me check. Let me double check my database to see which user 1, 3. Let's try user 4. 4. With award ID 444. No, sorry, it's award 4 and PID 444. Okay, maybe not. Let's see. Let's try this one. I did not fill out all the details for most of these, so some of them don't have any information in the table, so only some have information, like this one has information, but other ones they don't have any information. That's why they were not showing. But the get passenger ID, pretty simple. And then the transfer point, also transfer from maybe to tray coming from passenger 1. Let's transfer 100, and then we show transfer successful. And now it's showing the application. I think it's gonna take a little bit to load up. I had to restart my virtual device. It was bugging a little bit, so I just had to restart it. And every time you restart it, it's a bit slow. Okay, there we go. So let's log into someone named Bill, and let's go to Bill 123 login. Okay. Let me try again with maybe I'm gonna make a mistake on the password to see. Hold on, much time. Bill, Bill 12, incorrect username and password. Let me see. Bill. Okay. All right. So I can see the flight details. Let's start again. This was the third activity, I think. Let's log into Harry. All flight. I can choose. He only has one flight. Let's go back. Let's go back to Bill again. Bill has a lot of information. And let's do redeem. You can see the different details. Let's go back to the last activity, which is transfer. Let's go to Harry. This is the transfer. You can select all the passenger. Let's say we want to transfer to this one. 1000. Transfer successful. And I also have other people as well. I think I have someone named Mark. Let's see. Mark. Okay, yeah, Mark. So he also has all the flight information. Yeah, sometimes there's a little bug where it like shoot me back out. But yeah, that was from a project. I'm already over time, but thank you for watching.